Good morning. Class 8. Today our next topic is urbanization. What does urbanization means? Urbanization means migration from rural. First and foremost, what does the word urban mean? We can tell that it's the town areas which is continuously progressing. So now what is urbanization? People, when they migrate from rural areas to urban areas, which has been a continuous process everywhere in this world. It happened earlier also in developed countries and is also happening today too. Migration has some significant impact upon the population. Now, when a country is highly urbanized, then the birth rate tends to rise and death rates falls down. And due to the increase of birth rate, because people have more across to maybe medical care, which is available in cities and better than in rural areas. So the infant mortality falls down and the birth rate rises. Whereas in urban areas, birth rate decline as the government have launched awareness campaigns for setting up of family planning so that the population does not increase, with a strategy of small families will help in the progress. Death rates which goes down for better medical and education services and good amounts of reliable food supplies. Also in most of the remote rural areas, death rates used to happen due to lack of medicinal help. But in urban areas, the death rate do fall down, which gives growth in the urban areas. Next comes rural development or agricultural development. With the changes in every method, agricultural methods have also been changed. There are different methods adapted due to which the production also increased. Among it, the mechanism agriculture has freed the workers from the farms, and this workers and as the workers are free from farm, they are encouraged to industrialization, which needs workers, because as people are opening industries, workers are needed. So the farm workers which are being curtailed out due to uses of machine, those persons can come and work in these industries. It tends to promote high birth rates. Moreover, increased agricultural products also reduce the death rate, which used to cause due to famine, and that causes the growth in population. Next is education. Now, education plays the most important role in all the developments. The level of population growth in a country is determined by the role of education. Simple program of hygiene also reduces death rates. family planning programs reduces birth rates. And various countries' government also launch massive awareness campaigns so that the population of the country or the world does not grow high, and they help the families in different ways with different plans. Eventually, the educational and the awareness level help the people also have, it has its impact on the growth of the population. The climate, the topography of a place also put their influence on the population, because land areas which are flat and can be cultivated, people like to live there, so that they can do both plenty of agriculture and domestic purposes, whereas people like less living in hilly areas where where everything is not easily available. Also the riverbanks, as we have found in history, all the civilization have grown up near the river banks. Next comes climate. A climate which is bearable by people start living there. Where people cannot bear, where people cannot do cultivation, where nothing can be done, the weather is not pleasant, people don't live there. Also, the excess of the people is much when the growth of the people is much, where the accessibility of various kinds like roads, rivers and railway lines are easily available. Next is employment opportunities. Now places which are on plains, having industries being settled up, where roads, railway lines, all are easily available. In such places, prospects of employment also grows, also near mines and industries. So here the growth of the population is also growing up or grows, making some of these areas overpopulated. That we will do in the next. Thank you.